So first thing, when you arrive in Thailand, you need to looking for the SIM card. So you can have the internet and you can have the, when you have the internet, you can use the Google Map or anything else to booking the hotel or anything else. But there are many SIM cards in Thailand, but the best one that we use is TrueMove. And to get the SIM card in Thailand, in airport, it's quite expensive. They have like a different package, different price as well. So we go into 7-Eleven and get the SIM card from there because it's much cheaper and it's quite good as well. So before we get the SIM card, per SIM card is unlimited internet and we paid only 250 baht. Because now I have the SIM card already and I'm gonna stay in Thailand for 1 week only. So I'm gonna top up for 1 week and unlimited internet. And the price of the internet unlimited only 150 baht for 1 week. You can choose unlimited. But if you have this, but because I have the SIM card already, but if you are new, but if you are a new person, you never have been here before, if you have the SIM card, probably it's 300 baht per unlimited for 1 week. So I'm gonna top up the SIM card. This is the price. So I just paid already. It cost me 150 baht for unlimited for 1 week only. But if you guys are gonna stay in Thailand for longer term, more than like 1 month, 2 months, and in our time, the best way to get the SIM card at 7-Eleven store in Thailand or in anywhere. 7-Eleven store is the best place to get the SIM card because the price of the SIM card and unlimited internet, all of them together, it's only 250 baht per the SIM card and unlimited internet for 1 month. But at the airport, it's usually expensive. It's much more expensive. If you want to have the SIM card and unlimited, it costs you like 500 baht or more. That is it's like the price is too much. So first, go into 7-Eleven store to get the SIM card. Anyway guys, that's all for this video for today and I hope you guys like it and see you guys next time. Bye bye.